Benidorm's British street at night. We've seen it in summer. We've seen how busy this area is, how much of a movement and noise and people, tourism, bands, music, and many more things are happening here during the touristic season. But now it's all different. After November fiestas are gone and after the fancy dress party is over, a lot of places are closing down for winter season and will be back by months of March/April. So there's quite a lot of changes happening here. But all those of you who are arriving here up until March probably are wondering, does it mean there is absolutely nothing available in the area? No. It's actually not the case. We'll show you today oh wow, that's new. Killer cow? What is that? That's a new, oh my goodness. Some steak, ooh, we need to try this place. Oh, they're direct competitors of the country ribs probably, wow. That is interesting, you guys. 2 places for ribs, burgers, salads. We'll have to check which one of them is better. So, as you can see, it is dark outside. It is night time already. And we'll see what is actually open in winter season. Uncle Pets, first of all, and obviously will be open. Uncle Pets is open, I think, like the whole winter months because a lot of people know it. A lot of people come here. So it is usually quite busy even so. The only difference is that before we used to see people on the terrace. Right now, since it's cold outside, everyone are indoors practically. It is very chilly. Not gonna lie, it is chilly and a lot of people are here enjoying everything that the place has to offer, the music, the company of their friends and loved ones, and just spending some nice time on the inside and outside unless people are smoking outside. That's basically that. All the terrace is empty because it's really cold outside. This night and the next one will be the coldest ones here in the area due to the Arctic cold air mass that came here. We were supposed to, you've seen the news video today, we were supposed to publish it yesterday, but for some reason YouTube didn't let us and it just showed it as private video, so no one was able to see it for some reason. Now it is there, so you're able to discover what is actually happening with the weather in our region. Right here we have Rosa Mar Hotel. Quite a lot of movement actually. For winter season already, there's quite a lot of movement right here next to the British street in the evening. Obviously, it is Friday when we're filming it. You'll see it on Saturday. So Friday night in Benidorm, right before December festivities and Christmas lights will be turned on in Benidorm town, which is going to be in around 1 week exactly from now on, next Saturday. We're looking forward to it, but some of the hotels, as you could have seen right now, already are starting Christmas decorations, such as these ones right here, the nice decorations on the Rosamar, I think they've had. The Hotel Calypso, all these hotels will slowly but surely put the Christmas decorations, Christmas trees, since in Benidorm officially it's going to be next week, 29th of November. Places should start decorating anytime soon. We love the Christmas lights. We love this type of the year in general, so we're glad we'll be seeing slightly more decor, some festive mood, if you wish, here in the area. Definitely not empty. That is true. Depending on the area, you'll see slightly more or less people, but definitely there is people here in the area. It's not like you will be the only ones who will be heading somewhere for a night out. And right here on the Gerona street, you'll see how different it looks like. First of all, the Morgan Tavern as usual. Don't be fooled that it's a cold time of the day. People are wearing jackets, that's true. But it is packed up on the inside. There's a bunch of people everywhere, indoors, outdoors, on the terrace, on the entrance. There's a lot of live music. It's packed up out there. Look at this. It is incredible. It is still really busy. The last stop karaoke place. They have a dance floor, they have karaoke, they have some drinks and snacks and food. It's like an all-in-one place if you wish. Oh, look at this. Waikiki they've closed the terrace, at least from this side. I don't think it was here last time. Not sure. I think it's kind of a new thing. They've separated. See, they've put this one right here, which looks like a closed terrace. And then on the other side, they put some heaters on. There's going to be heaters on the terraces from now onwards. It's definitely necessary. Even for us locals, it is quite cold. I don't know how people walk with t-shirts because we literally put jackets and scarves on. But hey, probably if you're coming from a cold country, it's like a weather shock. You're coming here and it's warm for you. Unless you stay here for long enough to actually notice that it's not as warm as it seemed, because you'll get used to the temperatures. That is why a lot of us are with winter jackets and coats already. And you can still see some tourists with shorts and t-shirts. That is how it is. It all depends on the weather where you're usually from. John and Joseph's also quite busy today, slightly less than it usually is, but obviously it's not a peak season. What can we expect? But still, quite a lot of people love that place. They have really good food and quite fast service, super fast. It's the fastest we've seen here. The Wild Duck, quite a lot of people, and surprisingly, even here on the terrace, on the open air, quite a bit of customers. Indoors as well, those who want to listen the music and see the live performance. Another massive change, the Western Saloon has closed its terrace too. Obviously, it is cold, not gonna lie. So, terrace, there we go. This helps with the wind and it gives a slightly slightly warmer atmosphere. You can see they've put the like the warmers here, the heating, which works really well. People are cozy at the same time. They don't feel completely isolated from the outdoors because it's transparent. You can see right through. There's some air still coming out from all the corner parts, like these ones, the entrance parts. But this is a typical thing we'll see. A lot of places will be closing down their terraces, those that have something to close it with. And look at that. Look at how many people there actually are here. That is incredible. And the indoors is packed too. So quite a lot of movement. Incredible places. Those that have closed terraces, have an option to close the terrace, at least partially, will have quite a lot of people. And this is also the case of the hotel. This is also the case of the Hotel California, which is this one right here. Quite a lot of people here too. See, people are having a very good time. And it's cozy, it's comfortable. You can just sit down without thinking, oh my God, my fingers are literally frosting. So people are able to enjoy it. That's what a lot of people are doing right now. Very good atmosphere here in the area. By the way, there is some blue, oh, my brain's not working. The limitations, the fences, like these ones that they put, and that is because it's not allowed to park, because the day when you'll see the video, probably Saturday, or Sunday, is it? I think it's Sunday, 22nd. We're about to have a giant Benidorm half marathon here, so there's a need to limit. Is it the police or the ambulance? What is it? I think it's the ambulance. So there's quite a lot of need to regulate all this area and just to make sure that everything's gonna be all right. And look at this, Insomnia closed. Insomnia, it's a very nice place. Honestly, we like it. We like the music. We like the performances that they do. Closed for up until summer season. Not gonna be opening up any longer. Jail Rock so far is open, but I feel like this is also one of the places that closed down, so probably it's gonna be soon. All the top show, like strip clubs, etc., the Rockefellas, like a lot of these places are closed down already for waiting basically for a new summer season to begin. Obviously, it is a British street. Yes, a lot of places are still open, like the Red Lion. I think it does open the whole entire winter. Not every single day, of course, mostly on weekends, but I do feel like they open up all whole year long, not just in summer season. I'm pretty sure this is one of the few places that still maintain their doors open. But the rest, it's just not enough tourists for everyone. So if you don't have enough clients, why to open up? It just doesn't make any sense. The one place that looks really, really busy and is open is the bridge station, as you could have seen. Some of the other places here on the left side will show you in the upcoming videos next week probably. But we'll show you the strip area and we'll show you how it looks like. But basically that place is way more empty than this side. This side looks very, very good. There's still plenty of places where to go and it's still gonna be open, but the nightclub area is the one that changes the most. Here, the Outback, I think it's called, really, really busy too. There's just a few people. Oh, and the police and the ambulance. Something must have happened. Maybe a person fell down or not feeling really well, but something has happened. There's even police here. Or someone tried to steal something from him and he fell down, not sure. But yeah, this is something quite common, especially on holidays. See ambulances and police cars out here on the British street. We're kind of used to it already. Hopefully the man will be all right. I don't think it's anything serious because he's walking, but just in case, be cautious when you are here on the British street and in general on your holidays here in Benidorm town. Right nearby, we have the Hotel Presidente, a very nice hotel, by the way. They started to decorate for Christmas too already. It looks very nice. And some more places that are also closed, such as the Jokers. At least right now, it is not open and probably will not be for the next season. Thank you for accompanying us today.